It has been 6 months since hundreds of people were forced to leave the Budgetel in East Ridge. That number includes 126 children. Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Womp ordered the motel to close, citing crime and safety concerns. The Budgetel is allowed to reopen once it's cleaned up and brought up to codes. Attorneys for the Budgetel say Building 1 is almost ready to be reopened. Cornelia Nicholson has this update.
The Budgetel Inn is getting closer to reopening. A recent health department inspection shows that they passed with a 94 and only 4 minor violations on May 8th. Now, while the owners are working to clean up the hotel, the Regional Homeless Coalition has been working to get families in permanent housing. Mackenzie Kelly with the Chattanooga Regional Homeless Coalition recalls the morning hundreds of families were told to vacate the motel.
The day that the Budgetel closed, it was crisis situation. It was panic mode. So as the day progressed, you could tell who truly had nowhere to go. They were still hanging around, trying to figure things out.
Kelly said they ended up with 141 households in need of assistance to avoid homelessness.
Every 2 weeks, it was costing about $65,000.
Thanks to donations from County Commission, City Council, crowdsourcing, and other local organizations, they were able to help cover the cost of hotels. Kelly says they worked with the city's Office of Homelessness and Supportive Housing to find permanent housing for former Budgetel residents.
You know, they were working every single day. They were at these hotels where people were staying, and they were working on getting applications done for public housing, getting applications done for Section 8 vouchers.
Through all their hard work, Kelly says they were able to get 69 families into permanent housing. 56 other households were able to find housing on their own.
A lot of families have been housed that were just living in extended stays, from extended stay to extended stay. So, you know, ultimately, I think for a lot of folks, it gave them the opportunity of housing that they would not have gotten had they stayed in those, still been in the Budgetel.
The owners of the hotel have one more walkthrough before they head back to court for a hearing on June 22nd. In Studio B, Cornelia Nicholson, Local 3 News.